PFI चेर बंदी म्हळ्यार मुसलमानांक टार्गेट करप न्हय. PFI केन्नाच देशान मुसलमानांच्या हितान वावरूंक ना. गोंयान PFIच्या वावरा संदर्भात गोय पुलिशेन जागृत रावपाक जाय म्हण भाजपाचो म्हणण्यारो सावियो रॉड्रिगेस उलयला. RDXGOA ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
Hi, this is Savio Rodrigues of the BJP. The NIA and other intelligence agencies, in particular the Goa police, must continue to remain vigilant of the PFI activities in Goa. The Popular Front of India has been banned by the Indian government for 5 years. The ban on PFI is because the organization was working against the interests of India, in particular national security. PFI in Goa has been receiving tacit support from politicians and from minority religious institutions. It is important for the intelligence agencies to follow the financial trail of PFI activities in Goa, NGOs that are directly linked to the PFI, and NGOs that have been supporting the PFI activities without being directly linked to the PFI. The ban on the PFI is not a target on the Indian Muslim. The PFI is nothing but a wolf in sheep clothing and has never worked in the interest of the Indian Muslim.